Here's how you can grow your business and never worry about packing or shipping again. When you receive an order, simply add it to your Weengs dashboard, request a pickup, and we'll do the rest. Place your order into a Weengs bag, hand it to the driver, and you're done. Your order is on its way. At Weengs, your items are checked in the moment they arrive, so nothing gets misplaced or delayed. Our experienced packers then get to work. Fragile or brittle, bulky or tiny. They focus on each item separately, sizing and weighing to make sure the right materials are used for the right item, while saving space and cost. We always find the sweet spot between maximum protection and minimum size. Depending on each item's specific needs, we always find the best box to fit it. We can even build it completely from scratch, if one of our standard 40+ models doesn't perfectly match. Cardboard goes in one side and magic comes out the other. We already have all types of packaging materials imaginable, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Your resulting parcel is weighed and measured, a shipping carrier label is printed, and the box is sent to dispatch. You get access to multiple carriers in one account. Your price is unique to your business and fulfillment needs. You pay as you send and save on every shipment by cutting down on time, space, and hassle. Sign up with Weengs and get your first order collected, packed, and delivered for free.